Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in my previous video that I posted about the raw exhaust with the Powerage slip-ons, many people commented that there was some issue with the sound and stuff like that, and the sound was muffling and all. So I got that corrected. I found the issue with the audio setup. So hopefully this will give you a clear understanding of how it sounds with the Powerage exhaust slip-ons, because I've not seen many videos on YouTube which actually show like how the exhaust sounds. So I have implemented the shaft method for this. I don't know if you all know who is Shaft, because he is a YouTuber who posts all these kind of videos about exhaust and raw exhaust, how it sounds and all of that. And his method is basically using a Zoom H1N recorder and putting it in between two foams and duct taping the shit out of it. So let's see how it goes. Oh no, not again, man. Shit. Oops. Oh no, there's an accident. Fuck. Oh damn. Damn. Holy shit. Sometimes I feel that the Interceptor 650 requires a 7th gear, because it has so much potential that it definitely needs another gear. There's an open road, I'll definitely show you how it feels. Right now it's a slope, so I can't speed. Till I try. So I'll show you few modifications that I have done to my bike. So the first modification that I have done is change this handlebar. I have put a Art of Motorcycles handlebar on this, as you can see. The second modification that I have done is this baby boy. So this is the Powerage Performance exhaust. Okay, so it's just a slip-on exhaust. You unscrew these and then unscrew both the sides. There are 3 nuts basically. Just unscrew them, remove the stock exhaust and put this one. Okay, so those 2 I have done. And the third thing that I have done is I have changed the air filter. So for the air filter you need to open this case. Okay, then you need to remove the seat, and then there is one Allen key screw that is there right here. Okay, so you need to unscrew that, and then this panel will open, and then a triangular air filter will be there. So you just remove it. And I have installed the DNA Performance air filter, which has given me about 2 to 3 bhp increase in the power. So it's pretty good, I felt. Okay, so guys, I'm ending my video right here because I need to head somewhere due to some work. Okay, so I will see you all in the next video. Maybe I have no idea what I'll do for the next video. So see you then. Cheers, bye bye.